Hi ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create an order change request as a buyer using the advanced ordering features in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. You'll also learn how the seller reviews and responds to the request, and how the updated order status is reflected in both the buyer's and seller's systems. To begin, open the purchase order that you want to modify. Under Order Log, select the Order Change tab, then click New to create an order change request. A new order change window will appear. The buyer can now edit the item line, such as the quantity or price. After making the necessary changes, the status will update to changed. If required, the buyer can enter remarks in the note field to provide additional information about the requested change. Once done, click Send to submit the order change request to the seller. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the order change request has been sent successfully. As the buyer, you can also double-check your order change status by going back to the order log and clicking the Refresh Submission Status button. The latest submission status will be displayed accordingly. On the seller's side, click Sync e-order status to receive the latest transactions request from the buyer. Next, go to Sales Register and open the corresponding sales order. Under the order log, select the Order Change tab to view the incoming request. The order change will be displayed with a pending status. Click View under Details to review the requested changes. After reviewing the request, the seller can either accept or reject the order change. To accept the request, click Accept. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to confirm. The sales order will then be updated with the changes requested by the buyer. Seller may check the submission status from the Order Response tab, showing the order change is accepted. Back on the buyer's side, click Sync e-order status to retrieve the seller's response. Next, open the corresponding purchase order and navigate to the order log to view the order change status. The order change status will be updated to reflect the seller's decision. If the request has been accepted, the purchase order will automatically be updated with the approved changes. You have successfully learned how to create, send, and track an order change request as a buyer using the advanced ordering features in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. Thank you for watching.